Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. First, you need to install the Flatpak. Install Flatpak by running the next command. After that, add the flathub repository with the following command. The next step is to adding the bottles repository from the flathub. You can do this with the next command. Next, go into your desktop. There you will see the bottles icon. Just click on it and it will be launched. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.